If you want the biggest HostGator discount available right now, you're in the right place. HostGator is running a huge sale where you can get up to 76% off plus a free domain name on qualifying plans when you use the special HostGator discount link I've added below this video. Whether you're starting a blog, a business website, an online store, or your very first WordPress site, this HostGator coupon code deal can save you a ton of money. To get your HostGator discount, click the link in the description below. Quick disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning not receive a commission at no extra cost to you, and you get an exclusive HostGator discount. Now let's break down the plans and the exact savings you can get today. First up is the HostGator Hatchling Plan, perfect for beginners, blogs, and simple websites. Up to 73% off, pricing as low as $2.99 a month, includes 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, free domain name on annual terms, unmetered bandwidth, and one-click WordPress installs. If you're just starting and want the cheapest overall HostGator plan, the Hatchling Plan gives you everything you need to launch a basic site. Next is the Baby Plan, and this is where HostGator's biggest discount happens. Up to 76% off, pricing as low as $3.99 a month, includes 20 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, free domain name on annual terms, unmetered bandwidth, great value for growing multiple projects. If you want the most savings with the best flexibility, the Baby Plan is the sweet spot. Now let's talk about the Business Plan, which adds more features for higher performance websites. Up to 75% off, pricing as low as $5.49 a month, includes 50 websites, 50 GB SSD storage, free domain on annual terms, DDoS protection, and domain privacy free for the first year. If you want extra performance and professional features, this is the best upgrade. Finally, the Pro Plan, which is built for larger websites or businesses needing more power. Up to 53% off, pricing as low as $13.95 a month, high performance servers, comes with everything in the business plan, includes 100 websites, 100 GB SSD storage, a free domain name on annual terms, and advanced features for scaling. If you're running a high traffic website or need stronger resources, the Pro Plan is the top tier option. Now here's the most important part, how to get the maximum discount. With HostGator, you save the most money on the longest term, which is the 3-year plan. The 1-year plan still gives you an excellent discount. The monthly plan costs the most and does not include a free domain name. The free domain is only included with annual plans, so if you want the best possible pricing, choose a 1-year or 3-year term at checkout. To get the HostGator coupon code discount, click the link in the description below. The discount will automatically apply at checkout. Choose your plan, Hatchling, Baby, Business, or Pro. Pick out your free domain name. Select the 1-year or 3-year term for the lowest price in your free domain name. That's it, you'll lock in the biggest HostGator deal available right now. If this video helped you find the best HostGator discount, give it a like and subscribe for more hosting tips and money saving videos. And if you have any questions about HostGator or choosing the right plan, drop them in the comments, I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your HostGator savings.